How to permanently delete your TikTok account. Hi guys, in this video, I'll walk you through how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon, 3 lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. Choose Deactivate or Delete Account. Select Delete Account Permanently. Choose a reason for deleting your account, then tap Continue. Tap the checkbox to confirm, then tap Continue again. If you want a copy of your TikTok data, tap Request Download before proceeding. Tap the checkbox, then tap Continue. Read the final instructions and tap Continue to confirm. You may need to enter your password or verify via email or SMS. Finally, tap Delete Account, and then confirm by tapping Delete again in the pop-up. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. Reactivating your TikTok account. If you change your mind, you can reactivate your account within 30 days by simply logging back in and selecting Reactivate. Looking for an alternative to TikTok? Check out our beginner's guide to Instagram Reels. Just click the video on your screen now. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more daily tech tips and